thing I want to do is I want to work on some of this coloration. You'll notice there's kind of a light gray background compared to the white. Um, we've got a dark blue background here. So let's do a little bit of this coloration, see if we can get it all done on this round of work. And um, I'm going to change the color of the background here to this gray color, and I need it to be in the right place, okay? So I could literally put it all the way up here in this top, and let's just go for this TD, and I'm going to say back, let's see, BG color equals, and let's see here, what was the color I chose? I think it was EF, 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 and colors, when they're done in hexadecimal, they need a hash in front of them. So you'll notice that now I've got this kind of gray background, but I want you to notice that it's actually going too far. So if I take this and expand it a little bit, you notice it's covering the entire page. So that can't be the right place to put it. So we need that, if we're going to match this over here, we need it to be on the inside, just a little bit outside of the text and where the image is. So that's the right color, but let's see if we can put it somewhere else. One way you could figure this out is just simply move down to the next table division. Put it in place, and now it seems to align right up to the image, which would be correct right now because we don't yet have any padding that is forcing this image to nest in. So that's correct. That's the correct place to put it. All right, and I would just say that with this, I want you to take a look at some other pieces of the code. We've aligned various things center inside of this table division. That means this table is centered inside of it, okay? Same thing here. We have another table. This is a 100% table that goes edge to edge on this window, and inside of it is a 600 pixel window or table that does not go edge to edge. Instead, it just goes here. So let's take a quick look. I'm going to use a little tool where I can let's see here. It's not what I want. I want to use this right here, and it's a screenshot tool, but it will tell me the width of things. It's currently 752. We'll see if we can get that more correct. Let's see here. Okay, so let's see if it's correct now, because I had zoomed in inside my browser. That should be 600 pixels. Yep, that's 600 pixels. And with that said, I'm going to put my code at the top. I'm going to close that little advertisement, and I'm going to collapse these so that I get all my text code at the top. All right, so we've got our color there. Now the next place where we want color is right here. And let's take a quick look. We've got a blue background. You could choose any blue you want, but I chose the blue background color of 0048BA. So if I want this right here in that color, I need to find the words "your next oil change" and just put BG color equals, and I need to make sure to put that pound sign, the hash sign, or whatever it is, and there you go. All right, so that is one way to do that. However, what if I don't want to use background color? What if instead I want to use CSS styling? What would that look like? So we're going to go in, and I'm going to redo these. Instead of in background color, I'm going to redo them as styles, as cascading style sheets. So I'm going to go style equals, and here I'm going to say, instead of BG color in CSS coding, it needs to be background hyphen color is, and we still need to do the hash symbol or the pound sign, and then that, and then end it with a semicolon. All right, now we see we got the same thing, the same effect. All right, same sort of thing. I'm going to go all the way back up here where I have this BG color, and I'm going to instead put a style equals background color hash EF, 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 and then semicolon. And you'll notice I get that exact same color pops in, and we're good to go. So everything we're going to be doing from here on out, pretty much from here on out, is going to be in this style block, okay? Right now I've put the background color in, but we're going to be doing other things like type size and type weight, like is it bold or not. We're going to be doing the space between words, that's called line height. We're going to be doing and adding that little bit of extra space over here beside this image so that it kind of nests in like that. And we'll just look at what those styles do piece at a time. So let's finish out these background colors. I've got this oil change and filter $89.99, so let's go find that and write, where is that? Next oil change, we scroll down a little bit, there's oil and filter $89.99. That's what I'm looking for. This right here, that is ampersand. So that's this little character right here. So in the same way, I'm going to do style equals, and then background color colon hash 0048 BA, and then semicolon. And then if we scroll down, we'll see that that section right there now has the words in there. Now the words aren't white yet, we'll work on that later. Let's do a quick background color here on this button. Let me just copy and paste that style because it's the exact same. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to come all the way down here to where it says schedule now, and I'm going to paste it in place. All right. Yeah, there we go. And now we'll see that the button has a blue background. Of course, that blue text is hard to see on a blue background. Last place where we need background color is this really dark gray. Right down here where the Ford logo is. So I'm going to come back all the way down here, and I'm going to put a dark gray color in there. So I need to figure out what gray color I use, and I'm going to choose the background color of, so let's do style equals background color, oops, hash, and I'm going to use just the number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 number 3s there, and that should give us a fairly dark background as our footer. You know what? I don't want it there. That's the wrong place. I'm only doing this one section, and it should really be back behind all these little icons as well. So I'm going to copy that out, and I'm going to go up one table division right here and paste that in place. Take that extra space out, and now you see that now I've got this dark gray black background all the way across. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to do a little bit of that spacing to kind of make it a little more comfortable and padded around here. And then we'll work on text sizing and colors, still working in our style block. So you go on ahead and do this, putting in your background colors, and I'll see you in the next video.